Welcome to another video. So we have log cube root of x equals to square root of log x. Very simple. Now cube root of a is the same as a raised to 1 over 3. So this one is the same as log x exponent that 1 over 3 equals to square root of log x. Okay, so given log a to the power p the same as p log a. To check this power, so we can say 1 over 3 times log x equals the square root of log x. Okay, now we have something in common. What do you see here? So we have log x and log x. So let log x be, let's say, y. So in going back, 1 over 3 times y equals the square root of y. Okay. All right, so let's look at this. Well, we have 1 over 3 y equals to square root of y. Okay, so we can say y on 3 equals to square root of y. So can we square both sides in order to get rid of the square root? Yes. So this side becomes y squared over 9 equals to y. So can we arrange this? Y squared equals to 9y. Okay, so this one is the same as y squared minus 9y equal to 0. So let's factorize y out. Y minus y minus. So we are taking y out. Y into bracket y minus 9 equal to 0. So it means y equal to 0. Then y minus 9 equal to 0. So my y here is 9. So let's substitute values of y here. Log x equals, the first answer for y is 0. Now if we don't see the base, it's 10. So we have x equals to 10. So this will raise this 10 to the power 0. This is 1. And log x equals to 9. So the base is 10. X is 10 to the power 9. So which is 10. Okay. So 9 times. So 10 raised to 9. Okay. So it will be long. Alright, so that's that. Okay. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Alright.